Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up email forwarding in Godaddy. This is a useful way to automatically redirect emails from one address to another, so we never miss important messages. Now, let's get started. On the Godaddy dashboard, to set up email forwarding, all we need to do is click the domain we want to use as our email provider, like this one here. Let's wait for this to load. As we can see, there are no plans yet. Once we're on our domain, all we need to do is click on email here. Before we set up email forwarding, we need to make sure we have already bought a plan. There is an option to choose either Microsoft 365 or the professional email, which will be our forwarder in Godaddy. From here, we just need to choose the plan that works for us. Once we have a plan, we can set up our forwarding, sending emails from this address to our main business email. After we connect our business email, we can set up the forwarding. We can find the email forwarding option in the upper section of the page. We just need to enter our email address, and that is how we set up email forwarding in Godaddy.